Yee. The lower the car, the dumber you are. Wise words, wise words. Yeah, boy. Bridgestone booth. Look at this Supra. RE71 RS. So this is the RS. It's the new tire of Bridgestone. Used to be RE71R only, and now it has the S. See, my nail made a mark. That's how soft the compound is. Here are some of their tires. RE12D. We don't get this in the Philippines. Also this. I think we do have this. And this one, we still don't have it. Now heading to the Nissan booth. Let's see what they have. Whoa, dual element wing. Damn. Someone scratched it already. I don't know if you can see there. GTR 50th anniversary. So much people. I wonder what's happening. Oh, so that's why.
Oh my God.
Look at this Hilux, guys. So look what I saw. Up garage. Hanap na tayo ng parts. Uy, second hand shoes, so. Racing. Uy, muffler. Kailangan ko ng muffler para sa Jazz. Uy, ITB, oh. Look at this. Oh, kasya sa Jazz ko yan. 1.5 lang. Ba't ang mahal sa Pilipinas? Look at that. 4AG. 50,000 lang. Turbo, big brake kit, caliper, and wheels. Mura nito, oh. Look what I found! Mugen quick shifter. Mura, oh. That's cheap. For an original Mugen part, that is cheap. Öhlins coilovers. Wow, that's cheap. Aragosta. Yo! Look at this. Oh my God. Fujitsubo authorized. It's for the L15. Axle back, kasya yan sa Jazz ko. T37 Sonic, mura. 60k, halos 60k na lang, oh. Orig. Second hand LMGT4. It's still 300,000 JPY. Second hand yan, ha? In the Kansai Service booth. And as usual, it's an all-white display. Super linis sa mga kotse. Naka Advan R6 pa, oh. Advan GT. Let's take a look at the Yokohama booth, which is beside the Kansai Service booth. Oh, the crowd favorite. Advan Niova 8008R. But this is my favorite. The AO52, and this is what we can't have, and we also can't have this, and we also can't have this, obviously kasi pang snow ata to, and this one we have, but pang karera lang. Yo, there's a Jimny on top of the Raptor. Yee. Look at this Advan Supra. Meron pang ibang mga gulong, oh. AO21R. Wow. I think this is for old school, no? Hayashi Racing. Old school racing, parang semi-slicks. Ito pang snow. AO53 naman. AO35. Geolandar MT. Parada Spec X. I've seen these locally. Yung mga LC nakakabit. And then, of course, the AO48. Which is another really good racing tire. Papala dito, guys. Daming gulong. A539. I think these ones are for mga old school na to, eh. Ayan, oh. As you can see, the wheels are Old school talaga. GT Special Classic. So they said this Tamiya Advan model is gonna be on sale February of this year. So stay tuned for that. You can buy that one. So in the Toyo Tires booth, let's see kung matatalo yung Advan booth. Yokohama booth. So they also have a Supra. Super drift car. Get that catalog. Tire catalog. Toyo Tires is officially the better booth kasi nakalibre tayo ng neck warmer na nakasulat Toyo Tires. Yeah, that's how you win. Let's see if they can beat Toyo Tires. Yo, I think this is new. For the 4x4 guys, let me know, is this new? Ridge Grappler. Guys, we went to the Nitto booth. Obviously, mas maganda yung Toyo Tires kasi may free stuff sila eh. Hindi liking this booth kasi may libreng ganito. Free stuff always wins. Mazda 3 race car, yo. Ay, race car ba to? Oh, road car. It looks nice, huh? Looks good, huh? Yeah, boy! ST5 class, meaning it's competing against the Honda Fit. I like this wing, oh. It has a gurney flap pa. Very functional. Race position display system. Pretty cool. This is nice too. MX-5 race car. Also in ST5. So can you believe it? This is in the same class as the Mazda 2 with a nice wing. Very, very nice wing. With a hard top too. So the MX-5 has this pretty cool gurney. It extracts the air out of there. Pretty nice touch, huh? OEM hood design with a gurney flap. Now we're going to the HKS. So now we're going to the HKS booth. Tingnan natin ano meron nila. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yan ang malinis. Grabe.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Pati siya oh. Sabi niya, wow, ang linis. Grabe. They even moved the sensors when they installed the white body kit. And this is forged carbon, by the way. Advan R6. Oh my god, even the roof is forged carbon.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Ganda ng Samsonite natin ah. Engine tuning. Wow! Oh, 86 BRZ boys. May closed deck block na sila. Pang FA20 nyo. Wow! Uy! Uy! May kilala akong may ganito ah. Oh? I know someone who has this exact set. Oy! Shout out to Origo. Andito ako ngayon sa Amemiya. Pakita ko sa iyo anong meron nila dito. Yeah boy! Linis oh! RS05 RR na wheels. And this wing is also so clean. low profile. Okay, I'm not sure about this front end. It reminds me of, it looks like a cartoon character. It's may kumukha siya. It looks like someone. It looks like someone. Comment below if you know who it looks like. Like, you know, this is the nose. Uy, Mazda 3, linis din, no? Multi-spoke wheels on a super sleek design. Really works well. I used to hate the hatchback, but now it kind of looks okay pag modded na. What's your comment?
It's okay.
The Fujitsubo booth, arguably the best exhaust. It's ganda staggered. It's a small one and a big one. If you're in Tokyo Auto Salon and you want to find fellow Filipinos, I think this is the place to be. JASMA. Kasi mga Pinoy mahilig sa mga JASMA exhaust, JASMA exhaust. For sale, PTPA, JASMA exhaust, JASMA exhaust. Yo, ang linis na to, all white. 400 PS. Look at the material of the splitter. Plywood. Yeah, boy. If you know, you know. More Jimny content for you guys. Wow, my bus. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Look at that front end. Pure function, yo. Look at the camber. 500 PS. Linis na tong GTI. Ganda ng wing, oh. Oh, may over fender pala to. See? And as you can see, yung carbon fiber niya, big weaves. So you can really see the carbon fiber. So this is the Varis bumper of the FK8 Type R. Varis hood. Bah, may canards na. And this one, the trim. And the wing. And then the Varis rear diffuser. Grabe guys, sakit na ng paa ko. Hindi pa kami tapos. We're here at the race booth. Okay guys, officially liking this booth because I have a 2020 race engineering catalog. Oh, TE370 prototype model. That's a lot of holes. Actually, hindi pala butas. They just carved into it to shave weight. It's GT090G. Prototype Model 2. Mukhang bibili.
6474 safe.
I knew it.
139.
Force wheel, new product. P4x100. Yeah, boy. Parang RPF1 na 7-spoke eh. This is new to... Ganda, may lip. Ito rin, oh. Pang Jimny. Uy, mukhang Advan GT, oh. To you guys who don't know, this is actually my favorite wheel. It's the TE37 VSL. Seeing it here up close and personal. Damn. Pahawak na lang, di ko afford it. Ganda talaga. Yan, mga addict sa TE37.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks familiar. Huh? It's the Black Bison. Wow. Yo, they have this. Oh my god. Sorry, Jimny, but wow. VSL. Hindi, baka V lang na naka-SL na sticker. Pero hindi siya VSL. What are the wheels of this? T37 VALC. What the... I was actually telling my friends that I was interested to go sim racing because I think it's good training for, you know, circuit driving. Sakto, may booth dito. iRacing. Yeah, nagsasara na sila. Oh no. Guys, past 7 na pala, nagsasara na sila. So, this is Advan's booth. I was so excited to see them, but looks like we ran out of time. We're just gonna have to come back tomorrow and finish the vlog. We'll have more content tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video to your friends if you want them to see what happened in Tokyo Auto Salon. And subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.